kukontrol natin tong mga relay na to through wireless connection. Ayan. So yan, connected na. So i-press natin tong button. So dito sa button, inassign na natin to sa yung relay 1 is sa living room, garage, dining room, laundry room, kitchen, and then main gate. Ayan. So turn on natin yung living room. So yan, nag-energize yung unang relay na naka-assign sa living room, garage, ayan, dining room, ayan, laundry, main gate, and kitchen. So ano yung assign natin na kakabit natin na i-energize nitong relay na to na plug and sys natin is pwede yan. Ito is 10 ampere yung contact to 20 volt AC yung voltahe.